Hello developers, I'm Marco and today I'll walk you through this real-time Kanban application to demonstrate my learning journey in modern web development. It showcases advanced concepts like real-time collaboration, updates, and state management. Let's dive into what makes this application special. First, let me show you the architecture in this application. This is a TypeScript monorepo using PM workspaces. This demonstrates project organization. The structure here, we have everything separate of concerns. We have our server, and our server has libraries that makes this application special. Especially this one's Socket.io as the heart of this application. And then we got Prisma. We got uh, where is it? Express. Express is very important because that's the server side inscription uh, scripts. And then we have the front end. In the front end, we have Vite, we have Sustain, which makes everything more. It updates the front end and knows what is happening in the front end. And we have what else? We have React and something important. We have Socket client again. And what the other part of the I'm using a database. I'm using SQL. And basically, I'm using Prisma, which is I mentioned it before in my backend, and I'm using SQL for a database, and I'll show you later when I explain about the user interfaces. I'll create some users and a board. And something very crucial about this application is this share file, and that one is right here, share file, and then we got types. This is very important because it's what makes every type accurate when the backend sends a card back to the front end saying, "Hey, this is the card you requested." This is and make sure that this shared file is bringing the right um, data type. We got boards for creating a management board. We got columns, and those columns we're gonna have things like a task in progress, or blocks, or something a task that is done. We have the card, we have users, and this is very important. This is the structure and everything. I like to keep it separate for separation of concerns and makes it more easy to navigate in this application. Okay, in this side of this video, I want to give you a quick walkthrough on our interface. So let's get everything running. PMP dev. Okay, good. Everything's good. Let's open up our browser. Okay, so this is our user interface, and we got to create two users so we can work with. Let's use Hulk as an example. I like him. And let's give it a just right. So we got Hulk. Let's copy this. So let's sign out Hulk. And let's create another. Let's use Thor. Mr. Thor, Lord of Thunder. Let's just give it. Alright. So we got Thor over here and we got Hulk. See if we can just split this up. There you go. So we got Hulk. So I create a board with the ID name of simple board to help us work with this. And then sign in this guy. Okay. Actually, I'm going to make him bigger because I don't like that. It's just cut enough. Okay. So Thor, let's give Thor an assign, or let's have Thor create a task. Let's see, review our simple file, blah, blah. Let's create it. And then let's see, Hulk. So as you can see, Hulk already have the update on his to-do, on his task. So Hulk is going to work on this file, and it's going to start in progress. And we're going to go back to Thor, and let's refresh this. And Thor already also has his update. And this is what the heart of this application in real-time collaboration. As you can see, we have two users here that helps to make this, get the sense of feel like working together. And then what makes this happen is it's a library called socket.io. Okay, we have a socket.io. This is what makes this, and I just had this file doing the lifting right here. It's handling all those user. It's using JSON Web Tokens to authorize its user and communicate what user is doing and moving tasks to different sections. And this is the magic behind the real-time feature. While users interact with the front end, this file makes sure everyone stays in sync instantly. It's just more of a smooth teamwork. All right, developers, if you make it to the end of this video, I want to thank you for sticking around and being part of this video and appreciate all your time. Be safe out there.